Hi students, so today in this video lecture I am going to teach you how to do problem sum. So this is a question I have picked from your exercise 3.3 and I am going to show you how to do this problem sum. So the question is, in a go down there are 23,578 bags of rice, 45,326 bags of wheat and 2,569 bags of sugar. Find the total number of bags in that go down. So basically the question is telling that in a go down is a place where things are stored. So in a go down there are this much bags of rice, this much bags of wheat and this much bags of sugar, and we are told to find the total number of bags in that go down. So in order to find the total we have to add these three quantities. So let us proceed. So solution. Okay, so before proceeding to our solution, let me remind you one more thing. Since the question here is in statement format, so our answer must be also in statement format. Okay, so we have to write the statement also, then we will add these three things. Okay, so the things are happening in a go down, so we will write in a go down. In a go down, Godown. Why you have written in a go down? Because the bags are in go down. Now we will write bags of rice. How many bags of rice are there? This much bags of rice are there. So let us write 2, 3, 5, 7, 8. So in our second sentence we will write bags of wheat. How many are there? This much. So let us write this much bags of wheat here. 4, 5, 3, 2, 6. And thirdly, we will write the bags of sugar. Bags of sugar is equals to, how many bags of sugars are there? 2,569. So let us write here 2,569. And now we are ready to add these three quantities. Let us add. Okay, so we will draw a line to add this thing up. So here first we will start adding from right side. Now in right side, 8 plus 6 will give us 14, and 14 plus 9 will give us what? 14 plus 9 equals 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 8 plus 6 plus 9 will give us 23, but we will only write the ones digit. Since this is a ones place, so we will write the digit which is in our ones place, which is 3, and this 2 we will add in our tens place. Okay, so now 2 plus 7 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, and 11 plus 6 will give us 17, and we will write only 7 here. 1 we will be adding here. Now 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, and 9 plus 5 is 14. We will write only 4, and 1 will be added in this place. Now 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11. So 11, 1 we will write here and 1 we will add here. Now 1 plus 2 is 3, and 3 plus 4 will give us 7. So this is the total number of bags in that go down. Since this is the total, we will write here total. You can write total. Okay, let us write total number of bags. Yes or not? Since the total is of bags, so we will write total number of bags. So this is our final answer, which is 71,473 bags are there in that godown. Okay, so now let me do one more question which will make this topic very clear. So hi students, so I am back with our second question from exercise 3.3. The question is, a factory produced 42,567 toys in January, 25,789 toys in February, 22,578 toys in March. How many toys did it produce in 3 months? So the question is, in a factory is a place where things are made. So in a factory, this much number of toys are produced in January, this much number of toys are produced in February, and this much number of toys are produced in March. And we are told to find how many toys are produced in these 3 months. So in order to find the total, we have to add these three quantities. So let us add. Solution. Since the things are happening in a factory, so we will write in a factory. In a factory, toys produced in January, January, January equals to, how many numbers of toys are produced in January? This much. 4, 2, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now second sentence, toys produced in February, February equals, in February the numbers of toys are this much, this number of toys are produced in February, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now in the month of March, toys produced in March equals, so this is the number of toys produced in March, which is 2, 2, 5, 7, 8. Now we are ready to add these three quantities. So let us draw a line and we will do our total here. Okay, so in order to add, we will start from right to left. Now let us add. So 7 plus 9 is 16, and 16 plus 8 is what? 16 plus 8 is equals to what? 16 plus 8 is equals to what? 8 plus 6 will give us 14. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 7 plus 9 plus 8 will give us 24. So we will write 4 here and 2 will be written in this place. So let me rub this out. Now 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. And 16 plus 7 is what? 16 plus 7. 16 plus 7. So 7 plus 6 will give us 13. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this add up to 23. We will write only 3 and 2 will be carried here. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. And 14 plus 5 will give us 19. But we will write only the digit 9. 1 will be added in this place. Now 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write the digit 0 and 1 will be added in this place. Now 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. And 7 plus 2 is 9. And we are done with our addition. So this is the total number of toys produced in these 3 months. Since this is total, so we can write total against this answer, total. And this is the total of what? This is the total of toys. Yes or not? Equals to this. So now I think the idea is very clear to you. And I encourage you to do the remaining problem sums of exercise 3.3, which will make this topic very clear to you.